Let's demonstrate how to disassemble the E780C. Turn the machine over. There are two screws at the bottom. Loosen it. And open the top cover. Look, there are two screws at here. Loosen these two screws. Okay, then you can disassemble the upper and the lower shell. Then we can see the mainboard. Remove all of the white board connector. Loosen the screws on the mainboard. Okay, you can take the mainboard out. These two parts are the lower sensors that detect the paper. Next, let's remove the motor. You should loosen these 4 screws first. And the 2 screws. This is a synchronous motor. Finally, let's remove the print head. Loosen these 2 screws. This is the up sensor that detects paper. Attention should be paid when removing the print head. Depress the print head and push it back slowly. Then unplugging the wires. And this is all the components of the thermal printer. Then let's assemble them back. Okay, assembly complete. That's all. Thanks for watching.